Are you frustrated with the an unexpected error has occurred message on Steam? Don't worry, here are some quick fixes to get you back in the game. First of all, try restarting Steam. Close the app completely using Task Manager, then reopen it. This simple step often resolves temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. A stable connection is essential for Steam to work properly. Try switching to a wired connection or resetting your Wi-Fi. After that, if the issue persists, clear the download cache, go to the Steam settings, click Downloads, and select Clear Download Cache. This won't delete your games or data. Still not fixed? Flash your DNS, open command prompt, type ipconfig slash flash DNS and hit enter. This refreshes your network settings. Finally, if none of this work, try reinstalling Steam or checking Steam's server status online. Hopefully, one of these solutions resolves the error for you. Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.